away they go. Alisa's Choice from the outside is Sir Barbaro. In between runners, Devil Rising, Sharp Cookie, Gun with the wind on the inside is Rube Knight on the further outside, running by the rail. Yes, sir, I'm yours, Quick Action. Entry number 6, Ocean Deep, then followed in by Butcher of Arts. And entry number 4, Speed to Riches is running at the tail of the field. Sir Barbaro. Devil Rising is running in second. Gun with the wind is racing third by the rail. Rube Knight is racing from the outside. Sharp Cookie. Entering the far turn, Sir Barbaro. Devil Rising, Gun with the wind. Rube Knight on the further outside. As they race the final corner, Devil Rising by the rail. Sir Barbaro. Gun with the wind. Rube Knight on the further outside. Entering the finish line, Devil Rising. Gun with the wind is on the outside and Rube Knight on the further outside. But still Devil Rising, Gun with the wind, Rube Knight. Devil Rising, Gun with the wind, Rube Knight. And finally it's going to be Devil Rising, Rube Knight, Gun with the wind, Butcher of Arts, Sharp Cookie for your Fantafecta.